Hey everybody, my name is Kyle and I run the Whiz channel where I teach you how to make money online in the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you'll be updated and can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you ever have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy. Just leave a comment down below. Now let's get into the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can earn up to $200 a day just by walking. Yes, you heard that right, just by walking. This is a fantastic opportunity and a terrific way to earn money while staying in shape. Have you been looking for a way to motivate yourself to make up and go for a long walk or run? What could be a more powerful motivator than money? Stick around until the end of the video to learn how to make money by simply walking. The NFT project that makes this possible is called STEPN. STEPN is a Web 3.0 crypto NFT P2E game that focuses on gamifying fitness through the play-to-earn concept inherent in most modern NFT games. But rather than incentivizing online gaming, the game is more move to earn, in which you earn cryptocurrency tokens simply by moving. Move to earn is a game where you move to gain money. NFT games like Genopets and Virtual have a similar gaming mechanic. The game accomplishes this by utilizing your smartphone's GPS. It works in a similar way to Fitbit in tracking your movement and steps. User adoption reached about 100,000 daily active users in March of this year, and that number has risen considerably since then. The game's maker, Find Satoshi Lab, designed it to be a Web3 lifestyle app fitness game where users may win rewards by running, walking, or jogging. Players win points by collecting tokens and other items with their sneakers. A portion of the income is used to purchase carbon credits on the blockchain through governance voting. The team hopes to inspire individuals to live a healthy lifestyle by encouraging them to get out and exercise more. Of course, there is a catch to it, and the catch is you need to buy a pair of sneakers first before you start earning money. And these sneakers are expensive. The floor price right now is 13 Sol, and that's about $1,144. So it's not exactly cheap. But when you consider that you can earn as much as $200 a day, the floor price wouldn't seem so scary anymore. How do you buy STEPN sneakers? First thing to do is to buy Sol and deposit it into your STEPN wallet. Then you move your Sol from your wallet to the spending area. You must have Sol in the spending area in order to buy STEPN sneakers. Once you transfer the Sol from wallet to the spending area, you're ready to buy a sneaker. You can buy an NFT sneaker in the STEPN in-app marketplace. You're ready to buy a sneaker once you've switched your Sol from wallet to spending. In the STEPN in-app shop, you can purchase an NFT sneaker. When you're in the in-app marketplace, scroll down to see which NFT sneakers are available for purchase. You should choose a sneaker based on your degree of fitness and lifestyle. Choose from a variety of sneaker styles including walker, jogger, runner, and trainer. When you find a sneaker you like, tap it to see its attributes, which include efficiency, luck, and comfort. Tap Buy Now if you're satisfied with the sneaker's features and level. After tapping on Buy Now, there will be a confirmation window that displays details such as class, level, durability, and shoe mint. After you've gone through it, tap Confirm. A confirmation pop-up from Sol consumption will appear next. After you've double-checked the quantity of Sol, tap Confirm. That's all there is to it. You've purchased your first STEPN NFT sneaker and you can start running. If you don't have enough money to buy your own STEPN NFT sneakers, there's still a way you can make money. The good news is that the game has a built-in rental system. The game's built-in rental system allows you to borrow footwear for free from other players. The profits can then be split so that 30% of the profits go to the renter, shoeless user, and the remaining 70% go to the owner. When you've saved up enough money from using the rented shoe, you can decide to purchase your own pair of sneakers. GMT.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, sitting right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I...
Number 3. Background mode earnings. You don't have to use the STEPN app actively to make money in the background mode. Background mode will be able to count your steps from your mobile's health data application as long as you have an NFT sneaker in the app. The number of steps taken in background mode is limited to 3,000 per day, while earning in background mode, there is no durability or energy costs. The earnings from this mode are constant, independent of the sneaker's efficiency or other bonuses, and they are not included in the daily GST cap. Number 4. Marketplace earnings. You can earn GST and GMT tokens in the marketplace in addition to walking, jogging, or running. You can generate money by renting or trading your NFT sneakers if you have more than one. Your badges and gems can also be sold. And lastly, you can mint NFT sneakers by yourself. You can create a new branded sneaker by minting NFT sneakers yourself. If you do so, you can immediately sell the sneaker on the market, or level it up before selling it on the market, or even keep the new sneaker to yourself. If you want to make money from the process, you should look into the expenses and possibilities of shoe minting through legitimate documents and channels. What do you think about the STEPN project? Let me know down in the comment section, because that's it from us today. This was Whiz. We upload new money-making videos every week, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to